Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a specific repair component for the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series, specifically the 3T, 3M, and 3 models. This is a GPS module repair part, identified by the brand DCTJLL and model name DCTJLL 123. Now, it's important to note that this isn't a brand new part straight off the assembly line. According to the information, this GPS module is sourced from another drone. It's described as being in 95% new condition and is confirmed to be original and working well. This makes it an option for those needing an authentic replacement without necessarily buying a completely new unit. The primary function, of course, is to replace a damaged original GPS module on your Mavic 3 Enterprise drone. Having a fully functional GPS is absolutely critical for flight stability, navigation, and safety features like return to home. The product information highlights that this is a 100% original accessory, which is a significant advantage when dealing with complex drone electronics. Compatibility and reliability are key. It's marketed as durable and easy to use. The ease of installation is also mentioned, along with fine craftsmanship, suggesting it's designed to fit correctly into the drone's internal structure. While making your device more beautiful is listed for an internal GPS module, the focus is really on its functional durability, wear resistance, and long lifetime, which are crucial for a repair part. Weighing in at just 50 grams, it's a lightweight component, as expected for drone parts. The manufacturer is listed as DCTJLL. Overall, for someone needing to repair a Mavic 3 Enterprise with GPS issues, this DCTJLL 123 part presents itself as a viable solution. It offers the benefit of being an original DJI component, albeit a used one, promising compatibility and reliable performance for restoring the drone's essential navigation capabilities. It's positioned as a durable, easy-to-install option to get your Enterprise drone back in the air.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.